the system of storms still well to the north. That's moving in this afternoon, and that's going to be bringing strong to severe storms to the region. So we are going to be dry for the start of the day. Radar is quiet right now. That's not going to be the case later on.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Boys, what the hell do we do whenever there's severe thunderstorm warnings? We say, F it, we're fishing. We're heading to the golf course right now. I see lightning ahead, thunder's going crazy, but it's warm outside, and I was just looking back at pictures from last year, and we were crushing the bass on like this time of year, so hopefully we catch some nice greenbacks, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Hopefully it's not raining too hard. It hasn't rained a single bit where I'm at. The storm is currently north of me, and I'm heading east, so see you guys when I get there. The storm seems to have missed us. Look how dark it is over there. That's actually crazy. But we're getting that. Finesse.
The old love bait.
Of course, Nick's still not here. Mr. Nick, Mr. Late.
I need to start putting them in my back pocket so I can just
Like sunflower seeds.
quick draw.
Why do you have 2 cans of root beer on your
They're
roof?
fucking tiny.
What the hell's that car over there? Well, I guess Nick's not coming, so we're just gonna start fishing. We got a couple raindrops here and there, but I think we'll be chilling. That thunder's just constant. Ignore the giant musky bait on my rod. Maybe a little muddy, but this pond's never like super clear.
True that. I guess you just try to hit these pockets.
Segmented, right?
Yeah, they normally don't have like a ton of segments, so they have like one segment. Or 2 segments, I guess, it's one break.
We got a dink. No, it's a bass.
Oh.
This is a tiny bass.
That's the first bass out of this pond this year, though.
Yeah, it is. It's definitely my first bass out of here. Trying to catch this bigger bass. Huh?
I got 0 trout on the year. No, you have 1, technically.
1 trout?
Yeah, right?
Dude, it's a crappie.
Dustin's called a crappie.
This is crazy. I didn't know there were crappie in here.
Yeah, we've never caught crappie up here, right?
Decent little crappie.
We have or haven't?
It's weird.
I mean, they are spawning like now. Yeah, they are. Yeah, it's a crappie spawn right now. That's weird.
That is weird.
I was like, that's not bad. Would you do that, Dustin?
No. Oh yeah, we're hooked up, baby.
Is it a bass?
No, it's just a chode of a bluegill. Dude, this thing's actually big. We should catch, clean, cook these, dude. Look at it.
They don't want this thing.
Jeez, dude. Another bluegill? I'm gonna switch to something that I can catch smaller fish on.
Holy cow.
Holy cow.
It's crappie. It's because they're spawning or whatever.
Dude,
I don't.
this is a big crappie, dude.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna?
We're all gonna hold guns in front of them too. Have black sunglasses on.
That's funny.
Oh my
Trout limit.
gosh.
Is it turtle?
Oh
Oh my god.
my freaking snapping turtle.
That's
No
crazy.
way.
Oh my gosh, dude. He's freaking huge.
Dude, how are we gonna do this?
On the ultralights.
No.
Someone has to grab it.
I'm not fucking grabbing.
Oh my gosh, dude. Dude.
Are you grabbing?
Oh shit.
Oh.
My Lord, a snapping turtle.
Dude, it's gonna snap if this. Oh my gosh, dude. It's gonna snap my line. Wait, should I let him run and try to reel him back in?
No. Don't torture it.
Whoa. He's not helping me out here.
Let line out and come over here and try to pull him into this.
Okay.
Because it's a lot more gradual. You know what I'm saying?
Let line out.
Well, yeah, because you have to get over here.
Bro, he's massive. Dude. It's a massive snapping turtle, dude. He's just chilling over there, I think.
I'm just getting out of the way of that. Here, let me get on this side of you. I don't want to get
There he
hit
is.
in the face.
I might just have to walk him back, honestly.
What pound line's on there?
6. 6 pound test.
I want to try to cut it as close as his mouth to it as I can. We're just gonna have to cut it. This is crazy. Is he stuck?
Might be. Seems like he's stuck.
Maybe just go back over there. Here, let's walk back.
Here, yeah, let's go back over. This is just wild.
Back. Right. I see his back. It's right in there.
Imagine how cool. Someone should get in and pick him up from behind. But not me.
Dude, if we can pick him up, that'd be awesome.
Let's do it. Just grab his tail. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's a monster. He's a freaking monster, dude.
If I can grab him, I will.
Can you grab him on the side of the shell?
Yeah, back of the
Should Nick maybe grab the camera? If you pick it up. Travis's. I'm just gonna grab the line with my hand at this point.
Is there any way we can, like, nudge him with the rod?
Maybe. Or a stick. Or one of those.
rope him?
Rope him.
What the fuck? Oh, there's a rope there. Holy cow.
Rope him in, bro.
Yeah, just whatever. We'll see if we can rope him.
He's too big. I kind of want to get the hook out. I mean,
It's Dustin, you're probably not gonna be able to get the hook out. Oh, you're on my line.
Step. Can you pull his head up? Shoot. If you can get his head up. This is so funny, dude. I don't think... Hold up.
Doesn't want to come out. Oh.
Oh my god.
Shit. Oh.
he's taking off, bro.
Hold your rods.
I'll grab it.
How's this not broken yet? Let's see if he bites this shit. Oh my god, he fucking bit the shit out of that.
Oh no.
Use your rod, dude.
No.
Use your rod, bro.
Oh no.
Did it break?
Yeah, bro.
Dustin, you should have used...
I want to see this pond, like, my team drops this good as that one. Looking like a different.
This thing big, dude.
That thing is big.
We're still fishing. If your line starts rising up from here, it's done.
Aw, damn it. What?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that is like right there, isn't it?
Dude, we're gonna get hit. Time to go catch the turtle again.
This is not what we hoped for at all. Hell wet. Holy shit. Dude, we timed that good. Me personally, I got skunked, El Skunkoed, but the boys caught some fish, some crappie, a couple bass, some big ass bluegills. Crappie were pretty decent size. And we only catch them in these ponds this time of year. I think it's because they're spawning right now. And I don't know, I guess that makes them easier to catch. But thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with us fishing in a rainstorm, being stupid. And make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I'll see you guys in the next half chub fishing video.